have another gorgeous guest with us here today. I'm here with
No, gorgeous.
another handsome.
Oh, yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, handsome. Started communicating ways the new HM Sawa so much. I was like 1 hour.
Period. Okay, so can you tell us about your outfit? It seems like everyone here is wearing black today. That's the memo.
No, the thing is, we don't have majestic gold. You can't make a thing majestic gold. What is majestic gold?
I'm majestic gold.
Serious? I was supposed to wear you.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
Anyways, are you a big Zulu fan?
Yeah.
What's your favorite big Zulu song?
Bye Bye. You know, I love my song because, in fact, his recent songs are nice because he's singing more. You know, he started off as a rapper, but now we sing his versatility, his Lwah.
And what do you expect from the album? More singing?
I think so. He was teasing us with the singing, and I want to see him sing more, and then maybe probably half of the album rapping.
And what's the collab that you're waiting for the most?
Him and Lwah. They're always a good duo. Yeah, him and Lwah.
Okay, shout out. Please enjoy the experience. Please look into the camera. Say shout out Nice Entertainment.
Shout out Nice Entertainment.
Dango.